What's good, y'all? I just woke up. It's 1 o'clock. Pretty bad, but I'm about to do some food reveals today in places in Convoy. Matthew is in the Philippines right now, so he won't be really making any videos until he gets Wi-Fi, but I'll see you guys there. Alright, so I'm on the 805, and there's a huge fire over there. And like a really big car collision. That's crazy, dude. Look at that. That is crazy. That is crazy.
Like we always do with this time. I get to shine.
Alright, so I'm about to go pick up Kevin and Ethan. About to do some food reviews.
Won't even get pulled over in they new V. The good life, let's go on a living spree. Shit, they say the best things in life are free. The good life, it feel like Atlanta, it feel like LA, it feel like Miami, it feel like NY. Summertime shy.
Now throw your hands up in the sky.
So I rolled through good. Y'all pop the trunk, I pop the hood. Ferrari. If she got the goods and she got that ass, I got to look sorry. Yo, it's got to be cause I'm seasoned. Haters give me them salty looks. Lowry's 50 told me go ahead, switch the style up. And if they hate, then let them hate and watch the money pile up. The good life, I got to shine.
Now throw your hands up in the sky. Now throw your hands up in the sky. I'ma get on the TV. I'ma put it in your hand. Just act like you're famous.
What's good, y'all? Just had B-dubs. I thought it was pretty good. What you guys think? What you think, Kev?
I don't know. With you, I never go B-dubs.
He thinks it's good. What about you, Ethan? He's dead.
Supreme Bar.
Yeah, I would recommend coming on Tuesdays or Thursdays because it's half off all their sizes, but garlic parmesan is the shit. What else? Asian Zing,
my boy.
Asian Zing is bomb.
He's
Salt and
bomb.
vinegar and lemon pepper.
Order Bay, oh yeah, hey, this is the good life. Only tell me what's good. I only got a problem when you in the hood.